Hey y'all, what is up everybody? What is up YouTube? Sparky Marky Marker, and I'm back to do an enveloping. And I got this very recent. I didn't get a chance to unenvelope it since I've been caught with life, work, and other things. But I'm finally here, and let's see what is inside in this year envelope. And it's obviously from where? GalaxyCon. Oh yeah, GalaxyCon. Please handle with care. Fragile. Thank you. Enough chit chat, let's see what's inside. Alrighty, this is what came inside the envelope. Our shows are expanding in every GalaxyCon in the States. Speaking of which, I am going to be attending the Animates, which is going to be around Valentine's Day weekend, but I'm not going to go on Valentine's Day weekend. I'm going on the 15th, February of 2025. February of 2025. And what else, folks? And also, Nightmare Weekend, if you're seeing it here. And here it is in Vice City, Miami, that is, 18th to the 20th of this year. But I'm only going to be going on the 19th. I'm not going on the 18th. So that's good. And what's on the back of this? They have stores. And you already know, link is already in the description box down below. Check it out. So yeah. Well, no chit-chat, let's see the autograph. Alrighty, so this is how it is. Another sticker with Fragile, handle with care, thank you. Same thing. Let's tear it up. Alrighty, the item is in between two cardboards. Good packaging, A+. Now let's see the autograph itself. And here it is, folks. I got one. Next time, if Mick Foley ever comes to a convention or Comic-Con, I want to take a picture with him. And I heard all about this dude, and he made a guest appearance in the show Pawn Stars. And a guy was selling some products of Mick Foley that were used by him and signed by him, and lo and behold, he made an appearance to vouch that these are the items that he signed. And it was a pleasure of seeing him in the show. He's known for two roles, Mankind and Dude Love. Then this right there, folks, is Mankind. Zoom at his signature. Alrighty, folks, so if you like content like this or other content, please click the bell on the subscribe button to be notified about new uploads. Like the videos, always appreciate the thumbs ups, and also comment down below. So yeah, wow. Let's give a shout out to the collectors out there, to the physical media collectors, the toy collectors, watch collectors, autograph collectors, and all you collectors out there. And shouts to my subscribers. Shouts to you. You know who you are, dudes and dudettes. So yeah, and plus, I mean, the YouTube community, I often post what time I post videos, and if it's for any items that are about to be ending pretty soon, rather be Indiegogo or other places, or maybe Kickstarter, better get it now before it goes bye-bye. And also, September 2nd will be the Creator VC for John Carpenter's The Thing Expanded documentary, which is indeed one of John Carpenter's best movies he ever did. So again, link is in the description box, and it'll be ending on September 2nd. Better get it, because you're not going to pay for the shipping. The shipping is free, and there are no fees. It's the usual price. Whatever perks you purchase, it'll stay at the same price. Ignore that, folks. It's the stupid robot vacuum doing its thing, so ignore that. So yeah, like I said, link is in the description box. So y'all, this is Sparky Marky Mark signing off. Y'all take care. God bless you. Hear you, and see you on the next vid. Enjoy Wednesday, y'all. And later. Gotta go. Mankind.